Hello guys, my name is Aziz and I'm going to show you how to use word processor software. First we will open the software. Okay. Now I'll open a document which I recently used, or you can create a new document. So here you go. So now I'll copy a paragraph from website. I already have open uh, website here, as you can see, and I'll copy a paragraph. Okay, and I'll paste that into here. Okay. So now I will copy a picture and I'll paste that here as a picture. So here I will click on this and copy image. Now I'll go back to my one process software here and I will copy the image like this. Okay, as you can see. So to save time, I already have paraphrased it as well. You can see in the bottom, bring it up. Okay, already paraphrased as well. If you guys want to change the size of font style, you can just do it from here. So you can just click like this and you can change the size. I will stick to 11, and if you guys want to make it italic like this, uh, bold, you guys can do it. Okay, so that's it. We are done with this video, and I will just go and save this document. So, okay, now I save that. Thanks so much.